Hi everyone, I'm the Chef Dwight, and today I'll be making my favorite Jamaican curry chicken. First thing we do, we wash the chicken with lime juice. We're gonna run cold water. Then we are going to throw out the first water and wash again. And now that I got rid of all the excess water, I'm going to put the chicken in the pan. And I'm gonna get ready to season it up. So I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 tablespoon of black pepper, one teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 medium-sized onion chopped, 3 stalks of scallion, two sprigs of thyme, half teaspoon ginger, and now my very famous Scotch bonnet. And now I'm gonna mix all seasoning together and put it in the fridge for 24 hours and come back tomorrow and finish. Now I'm gonna put plastic wrap over my chicken. Now I'm gonna put it in the fridge for 24 hours. Okay, so now it's 24 hours and we are gonna take the chicken from the fridge. Yeah. First of all, I am using an old 3-pound chicken chopped up in pieces. On another note, Scotch bonnet, if you don't want it so hot, you could cut it in half and take the seed out and then chop. First thing we do, we take all the seasoning from the chicken. First thing I do, I take the seasoning, like the scallion and the onion from off the chicken, and save it for last. After you finish, it should be looking like this. The seasoning you're gonna save for last, and the chicken that you're gonna put in the pot. Before we put the chicken in the pot, we're gonna throw 3 tablespoons of oil. So when the oil is hot, I'm gonna put in 1 tablespoon of curry powder in the hot oil. We're gonna stir the curry like that. It's good for flavor. And now I'm gonna put the chicken in the pot. We're gonna brown the chicken on all sides for 5 to 6 minutes. Okay, I have browned the chicken on both sides. So now I'm gonna add all the saved back vegetables in. And now I'm gonna put half cup of water and half cup of coconut milk in. Then I'm gonna cover on medium low for 25 minutes. Okay, it's 25 minutes now. And I dice one large potato that I'm gonna throw in the pot. Now I'm gonna cover the pot and simmer for another 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, taste to see if you need more salt. Okay, everyone, it's 20 minutes now. This is done. And sauce thickens. So I'm gonna share and show you the final dish. Okay, everyone, here's my final dish. Let's taste. Wow. Okay, everyone, if you like my video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.